Hello everybody, Miss Emmy is with you. How are you? We have spelling lesson for today. Please prepare your CW. Ready? Let's write the date. Today is Sunday, January 31st, 2021. The last day of January for this year. Let me just make it bigger for you. Okay. Spelling words. And these will be spelling words for Unit 6, Week 1. Numbers from 1 to 10. This week we have rhyming words. Do you remember what are the rhyming words? The words that almost sound the same. Yes, right. Almost the same. First one, it smells nice and you can find it in the garden. Wait a second, please. Sorry for this. The first word, it's in the garden and it smells nice and it can be in many different colors. What is it? A flower. Great job. How to write flower? Can you help me? Flower. So O and W here are making us ow sound. Flower. Good. Okay. The word flower is rhyming with this word. You go to the bathroom, you enter in the bathtub, and then you take something rhyming with flower. Shower. Shower. You can see that these two words, the only difference, they look so much the same, right? And say them again. Say them out loud. Flower, shower. They sound so much alike, right? So the difference here is FL and here is SH. And that's it. If you memorize one, you just have to know the sound for beginning sound for the other one and you're done. Good. Next one. Listen guys. The airplane is flying, and then it has to go down. So how do we call this process of going down? Landing. Excellent. Landing. Landing. Great. Landing is an easy word, right? And it's rhyming with something opposite of sitting is when you're not sitting and you're not laying, you're not sleeping. You're on your two legs up. So you are standing. Standing. Great. Oh, let's think of sentences for these words. Can you use the word flower in a sentence? My example could be, I have a red flower. What about shower? This morning I took a shower. Landing. I can see the airplane and it's coming down and it's huge. It must be landing. Number 4. The boy next to me is standing. Good. Number 5. Okay, and now just let's say this again. The rhyming words here are flower, shower. Say them again, please. Flower, shower, and landing, standing. Good. The next one will be when you're making orange juice. What do you do with oranges? You have to squeeze them. Squeeze. I can squeeze an orange. And how do we call the light wind? The very light wind. Breeze. Good. These two words are also almost the same. Squeeze and breeze. Ease and ease is the same in these two words. Good. Next one. Guys, some of these words have more than just one meaning. I'm just giving you one example for each. Skim is the next word. Skim. This one is also going to be vocab, so I'll explain different meaning than the one in the vocab. You know, when you're drinking milk, you usually are drinking full cream. You can check the bottle or the pack that you have in your fridge. It's written probably full cream. The opposite of that one, when the milk is very light, people who are on diet or people who have some other problem, we don't want to talk about it, they are drinking skimmed milk. Skimmed milk is the one that doesn't have a lot of fats. So that's the word skim. There will be other meaning for it later in vocab. The rhyming with skim, when you go to the pool or to the sea, you go to swim. Skim and swim. Good. Do we need to spell them? They're pretty easy. S-K-I-M and S-W-I-M. Skim and swim. They're rhyming. Number 9. When you want to go and play zillions of games, you can go to fair. Another meaning for fair is when somebody is using the same rules for everybody. So he's playing fair, not cheating. Fair. F-A-I-R. Fair. And rhyming with it, another word is spelled totally different. Look at this one. Square. Fair and square. They're rhyming, they sound similar, but the spelling is totally different. F-A-I-R. Fair. S-Q-U-A-R-E for square. Do you have anything in the shape of a square in your room? For homework, guys, you have to write all of these words 3 or 4 or 5 times and then use 4 of them in sentences and take a picture of it and send it to me, please. Let's say them all one more time in pairs of rhyming words. Flower, shower. Landing, standing. Squeeze and breeze. Skim, swim. Fair and square. And now what? What do we do next? Come on, I'm sure you know. Vocabulary words. Great. We don't have many, there are only 2. Vocabulary words. Equal share. Equal share and skim. I will show you now the file with all the pictures and then we will read the definitions for these vocabulary words, okay? I hope you're done writing. Let's revise one more time. It's Sunday, January 31st, 2021. Spelling words are for Unit 6. We're starting Unit 6, Week 1. Flower, shower. Landing, standing. Squeeze, breeze. Skim, swim. Fair and square. Vocab, equal share and skim. Now let me open the file. Good. So these are the spelling words for this week. A flower. So if you have quiz next week, I will put you this picture and you have to write flower if you see this photo. Shower. Landing. This week we will have this word in one poem, but it will have different meaning. It won't be landing of the airplane. You will see it. The girl is standing. Squeeze. The light wind is breeze. This is the one I told you about. Skim. The skimmed milk is the one with very low percentage of fats. And skim, this photo is so nice for the vocab. I will show you. Then we have swim. Fair. 2 meanings of fair. Like a huge playground or somebody unfair, but we cross this on to be fair. And square. This is a blue square. Okay, we're doing 2 poems this week. One will be I'd like to squeeze, and over there we will have equal share. That means the same amount. If we give equal share to everybody, it means that each person gets the same amount of something. And in the next poem, named Flying Fish, we will have the word skim. The meaning of skim is to move slowly over the top of something, such as water. This is the photo I showed you. Skim over the water means to smoothly move on the water. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do your homework. Each spelling word 3, 4, or 5 times, and then use 4 of them in sentences. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.